This is our candle making process for our small business. First, we start by gathering our soy wax and placing it in a double boiler. We then heat up the burner and put a full pot of water on it. Once the water is heated, we place our double boiler inside to begin the melting process. While the wax is melting, we measure out the fragrance oils and fluid ounces. Here are some of the candle jars already prepared with wicks. Don't mind the mess, we already made a few batches earlier. Next, we see if the wax is melting properly, which right now it's not, because we want more of a liquid consistency like this one right here. Once it reaches the right consistency, we check the temperature to ensure it's at 185 degrees, which is the ideal temperature for adding the fragrance oils. Once it's ready, we pour the fragrance oils and mix for 3 minutes. Finally, we pour the melted wax into our candle jars right here. I know I said finally, but we actually have to wait 24 hours for these to settle so it gets hard enough so we can cut the wicks. So I'll see you guys in 24 hours or 1 second for you guys. After letting the candles settle for 24 hours, we trim the wicks. Thank you for watching. Our shop is in our bio if you want to consider buying our candles or even more items that we have in our shop.